Hey, welcome back. This is Daniel with another video about skills. We have covered, so far we have covered work experience, education, volunteer experience. These are all experiences that you have, and these are all part of your background experience. And introduction, we have done the introduction already. So we've done this. Now we are on to the next section, which is skills. Skills, 50 skills on your profile. You can only have 50 skills. See, you have reached the limit of 50 skills. Some of you do not have skills. On LinkedIn, I'm sure you have skills that are that you have not put onto LinkedIn yet. So let's take a look at a few people's skills. So I'm just going to go down to my skills section. Skills. Okay, skills and endorsements. Yes, this is where I would like to talk about. So these are skills that you put, like holographic SEO, thought leadership, search engine technology. These are my skills, and then in industry knowledge, there's e-commerce, responsive web design, SEO again, which is 99. So some of these are 99, some of them are not. These are 99. Social media, like basically all these. Whoa, all these are PPC. These are all 99 plus. Business strategy 99 plus. So this is what you want. You cannot. I mean, you can have more than, but it does not show more than 99. It does not show more than 2 digits, basically, right? So strategic consulting, technology and tools, all these things. Google Analytics 99 plus, AdWords 99 plus, lead generation 99 plus, Shopify. So these. So what is one strategy I'm going to tell you right now is to bump it up. So I'm going to edit, and I'm going to say I want to. Let me just double check. So this is thought leadership 91. So I want to move this down, and I want to move a few other things up, because SEO and search engine technology is basically the same. So let me just unpin these, and I want to showcase Shopify, right? So I want to showcase Shopify, and what else do I want to showcase? So I'm going to save. Please add. Okay, so I'm going to let them choose for me. Shopify, e-commerce. So I have done. So I'm going to change this around. What else should I add to my? See, this is pretty good. This is 90 plus. What am I weak at? What am I not that proficient? Or I mean, I'm proficient in all these things, but what do I want to bump it up? So think about this. These are all skills that you can add to your LinkedIn profile, and you should. And we're going to take a look at a few other people's LinkedIn profiles after this. So I'm just going to I'm just going to leave it as it is right now, and I'll come back to this later on. But 99, I don't want. I want it to be something higher, or something. I'll just put WordPress. So WordPress. Just pin that. Okay. Save. Good. Very good. Okay, let's look at other people's profiles. This guy, awesome. Okay, let's look at this. These are people that should have a lot of good skills added. So I'm not connected to him yet. Endorsements and skills. So once you're connected to someone, you can endorse them. Right now I'm not connected to this person, so I can't actually connect with him. But if you look at, okay, so he does not have too many skills listed. which is okay. And I'm going to follow him. And this is someone else. Nice profile. Endorsements 1616 free. Good. And he has a lot of other so he has interpersonal skills, he has other skills like reputation management, social networking, Microsoft, Google, web development, and new business development. And industry knowledge quite high. I mean quite a lot here, but not many people have added him. So let's look at someone that I'm connected to. Let's look at my network. And I'm going to find someone in my connections. I was going to say this guy, investment management. So he's crypto investment. Okay, well, no, there isn't much. Can't really endorse him for anything because there's no skills there. So if someone wants to endorse you for something, if you don't have any skills, they can't endorse you. So let's look at someone who is, let's look at this guy. Hopefully he has added some, quite a lot of stuff. Coaching, training. So training, I'm going to say yes, and then I say he's good, but I don't really know. So you can choose your relationship. I can say it's none of the above, and then I can just submit. And now you see he has 40 skills, and you see that the plus is now a check mark, endorsed by all these people and one mutual connection, which is so you can actually see all the endorsers. So I guess since I'm the latest one, I'm number 1, and then you can see all these other people. Oh, sorry. And you can actually click on them, like this guy I know, so he's a business builder specialist. Great, I'll click on him, and he's online right now. He's green here. And I'm going to say he's on 99 plus. I'm just going to say he's good at entrepreneurship, alright, and then good, but I don't really know, I'm just guessing, but it looks from his profile, he seems like he's a good entrepreneur. Okay, so that basically is the overview, what I wanted to show you about this, and in the next video we're going to discuss certifications. No, we're going to start talking about accomplishments, publications, certifications, patents, courses, projects, honors, and test scores. So skills, hopefully you added your skills. Make sure that you have at least 50 skills, and every once in a while rotate them, right? Like I did. That's such an insider tip. You should move your things around, so people, they see, oh, Shopify, then they click Shopify. E-commerce, they click Shopify, e-commerce, WordPress, right? And eventually you want everything to be 99 plus, like this. This is what I had before, and now just rotate them, and eventually you want to get 99 plus for everything. Alright, talk soon. Bye now.